Rain touches every part of life. It falls on busy cities and quiet fields, on streets and green farms. It makes people remember old stories and think of peace. In this lesson, we will listen to the sound of rain in the city, in the countryside, and in our hearts. The first drop of rain falls on the ground. The air becomes cool, and the smell of wet soil spreads everywhere. The sky looks grey, but it feels kind and calm. I stand by the window and watch the drops fall. It feels like the world is breathing again after a long sleep. Children run outside and laugh loudly. They jump into small puddles and splash water everywhere. Their clothes get wet, but they do not care. The sound of rain on the roof makes a soft rhythm. It feels warm and happy, even when the sky is full of dark clouds. From the window, the trees look fresh and clean. The leaves shine when water runs down their edges. Birds hide under the branches, shaking off drops. The street looks empty, but quiet. Rain changes the sound of everything, making even noise feel soft and far away. When the rain becomes heavy, people run to find shelter. Some open umbrellas, others wait under shops. The sound grows louder, but it is still peaceful. I like that feeling. The rain touches everyone the same way, washing the streets and the worries from our hearts. The city looks different when it rains. The lights reflect on wet roads, like small stars. People walk faster, holding bags close. Cars move slowly, making ripples in the water. I like watching from a cafe, where the smell of coffee mixes with the cool air. Street vendors cover their stalls with plastic sheets. A man sells roasted corn under the rain, and the smell spreads everywhere. People stop to buy, smiling as steam rises. There is a simple joy in sharing warm food when the air is cold and the rain keeps falling. The rain washes the dust from the buildings. Walls look brighter, and windows sparkle with tiny drops. A child draws on the glass with his finger. He makes shapes that fade quickly, but his smile stays. Rain gives the city a short rest, like a deep, slow breath. When the rain stops, the city shines under soft light. People come out again, stepping over puddles. Cars move faster, and voices fill the air. I walk home slowly, feeling calm and clear. Rain always makes the world new again, even for a short while. Sometimes, rain brings back old memories. I remember walking home from school with my friends, laughing as we got wet. The road was muddy, and our shoes made funny sounds. We shared one umbrella, but it was too small. Still, those were happy days I never forget. At home, my mother made hot tea and fried snacks. The smell filled the room, mixing with the sound of rain on the roof. We sat near the window, talking and laughing. Everything felt warm and safe, while the rain kept falling outside without a stop. Now, when it rains, I still think of those times. I can almost hear my friends' voices, and the sound of teacups touching the table. Rain connects the past and the present. It reminds me that small moments can stay bright, even after many years. The rain outside my window feels the same as before. The smell, the sound, the calm, it never really changes. It makes me stop and breathe slowly. Even in a busy life, rain helps me pause and remember who I was and how far I have come. When the rain stops, the air feels new. The trees shine, and birds start to sing again. The streets are full of puddles that mirror the sky. Children step carefully, looking at their own faces in the water. The world looks clean, soft, and alive again. Farmers smile when they see the clear sky. Their fields drink the water that rain has left behind. The soil becomes soft and rich. New seeds wait to grow. Rain gives them hope, a promise that the earth will feed them again. The air smells fresh, and everything looks bright. People open their windows, letting light and wind come in. Clothes hang outside to dry. Dogs walk through puddles, leaving small footprints. The city seems peaceful again, as if the rain washed away all noise and dust. After the rain, the sun returns with soft light. A rainbow appears across the sky. People take photos and smile. It feels like a gift, after a long wait. Rain leaves the world clean, and the sun makes it bright again. Both belong to each other. When night comes, the world is quiet after the rain. The air feels cool, and frogs start to sing near the pond. The moon shines on wet grass, making it sparkle. It is peaceful, and I feel calm inside, as if the world is whispering goodnight. I sit by the window with a cup of warm tea. Water drops fall slowly from the roof. The smell of rain still stays in the air. Everything feels soft and gentle. Nights after rain always make me quiet and thankful. Sometimes, I open my window and listen. I hear the trees move and the frogs call. The city feels far away, as if time has stopped. Rain leaves behind a kind of silence that makes my heart rest. It is a soft song of peace. Before I sleep, I thank the rain for coming. It cleans the world and gives it life again. I think tomorrow will be bright. Maybe there will be more rain, maybe not. But I know it always brings peace to my heart.
Sometimes progress feels small, but it is never lost. Every word you hear today stays in your memory and waits for the right moment. Step by step, your English becomes part of you. Thank you for joining today's practice. Keep your spirit high and your goals clear. Together, we will continue this journey, one lesson at a time. See you soon.